Welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. Students, in the previous videos we have seen examples related to first principles. Okay, and now in today's video let us see graphical approach of differentiation. So our next concept is graphical approach. Means every problem will solve using graphs. Okay, so in that what are we are discussing means maximum and minimum type of graphs, minimum type functions, maximum and minimum type functions, mod functions, and graphical transformation. So these are our today's topics: graphical transformation. These are our today's topics. So first let us see how to find out maximum and minimum type of functions. How to differentiate maximum and minimum type of functions. Okay, so graphical approach I am keeping like that only. So first example, so understand with an example. If not, for suppose maximum minimum means definitely will take two graphs. So first for finding, so example, maximum of f of x comma g of x. How to find out maximum of f of x and g of x? Means for suppose f of x is a function and g of x is a function. How the graphs of f of x and g of x will be like this? For suppose f of x is a graph like this and g of x is another graph like this. Okay, now when finding maximum and maximum value of f of x and g of x, we need to consider only top graph, that is upside graph only. So this one, this part and this part, and then this part. Means our graph will change like this, something like, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and our graph will be like W, like this something. Okay, this becomes maximum value of f of x and g of x. I hope everybody understood now. So whenever two graphs are there, two functions are there in one graph, then for finding maximum value we need to take only upside curve, okay, not downside curve. Understood? This is how to find out maximum value. Next, minimum. So example for minimum, same, minimum of f of x, okay, sorry, not like this. There also I need to take capital F of x is equal to minimum of two functions, that is f of x comma g of x. This becomes capital F of x. Previously also like that only I should write, I'm sorry. So now minimum of f of x and g of x. How to find out? Same like previous graph only I am drawing again. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Same graph I am drawing. So this is the f of x graph and this is the g of x graph. Now downside whatever is there, that part only we should consider for minimum value. Understood? So now our graph will change like this. minimum value of f of x and g of x. So this is x, this is y. Our graph will be like this somewhat. Okay, this is the minimum value from our graph. Okay, I hope now everybody understood how to find out maximum and minimum values. Now let us see some examples. Okay, so example. F of x is equal to maximum of x square comma 4 minus x square. How to find out maximum of x square comma 4 minus x square? Okay, so first let us draw the graph. Okay, not y axis, let us take somewhat big. This is y axis, this is x axis. So y is equal to x square. We know that y is equal to x square is a parabola like this. Okay, this is the graph of y is equal to x square. Okay, now we want 4 minus x square. For suppose if I substitute x value 0, okay, then if x is equal to 0, then y becomes 4. So y value is 4, means on y axis from 4 onwards we will get a parabola like this in reverse. From where we should draw this parabola? From y is equal to 4, because when you substitute x is equal to 4, then 4 minus x square, that is y is equal to 4 minus x square, that is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. That's why when x value is 0, then y value is 4. From y is equal to 4 onwards, we have to take a parabola like this. Okay, now we have to take only maximum value, means I said no, only upside graph, means this part plus this part completely and this part. Okay, now our graph will be something like W, like this. So our graph will change like this. This is our graph of maximum of x square comma 4 minus x square. Is this graph differentiable? Is this curve differentiable? No, because we are seeing two sharp corners here. What are the points of the sharp corners? Let us find out. So equate these two equations. X square is equal to 4 minus x square. If x square comes this side, then x square plus x square is equal to 4. This implies 2x square is equal to 4. X square is equal to 2. X is equal to plus or minus root 2. So here this value is minus root 2 and this value is plus root 2. So this graph is not differentiable at 2 points, that is x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to root 2. Understood? This is how we need to find out maximum value. Clear? In the same way, let us find out minimum value of the same graph. Okay? So I will draw the graph again. Now let us change this value as minimum. How to find out minimum? Is at least minimum differentiable or not? Let us see. So same, f of x is equal to, now I have to take minimum of x square comma 4 minus x square. How to find out whether this graph is differentiable or not? Same graph I am drawing again. So this is y axis, this is x axis. Again y is equal to x square, means like this parabola I will get like this. Okay, y is equal to x square is a parabola, and x square 4 minus x square is also a parabola from y axis at a distance of 4. Okay, this is 4 minus x square graph. Now we need to take bottom part. Actually these are symmetrical lines, means both will cut at the same point. Here I am not getting the graph correctly. Just understand the concept. Don't concentrate on my graph. Okay, this will be symmetrical points. So now bottom part we should take minimum value, means this part plus this part, means this up to here continually, and this part. Okay, now if if I draw the graph separately, then that will be like this. M shape, somewhat M shape like this. Yes. So already we have found out this point of intersection. What are the points of intersection here? Same, minus root 2 and plus root 2. Same, by equating we'll get the same value. So this graph is also not differentiable at 2 points, that is x is equal to minus root 2 and x is equal to plus root 2. Understood? Only when x is equal to plus or minus root 2. Okay? This graph is differentiable. Means we can write that like this as this graph is differentiable at r minus of plus or minus root 2. Understood? At what points? At remaining all whatever the real value it is, but except plus or minus root 2. Understood? This is about minimum value of the graph. Now this is first example. Next, let us move to our next example. So here one direct question is given. This is asked in JEE in some year. So let us solve this. The function f of x is equal to maximum of 1 minus x, 1 plus x, comma 2. Here x belongs to plus infinity, comma minus infinity. Is, here some options are given. First option, continuous at all points. Second option B, differentiable at all points. Next, third option, differentiable at all points except at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. And last option, continuous at all points except at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, where it is discontinuous. Okay, so these are the options given. Let us find out which options are correct and which are wrong. So first, let us draw the graph of y is equal to 1 minus x, 1 plus x, and y is equal to 2. Okay. So this is x axis, this is y axis. So y is equal to 1 plus x, means from 1 onwards like this the line will be. Okay. So this graph, this line becomes y is equal to 1 plus x. Similarly, 1 minus x means this side onwards, left side onwards will get like this. Okay. So this line is 1 plus x and this line is 1 minus x, and y is equal to 2 means parallel to x axis. So this is 2 units parallel to x axis. This becomes y is equal to 2. Okay. So now we want maximum. Maximum value means, see here, this part, only upper part you have to take. So this part plus this part and this part, means our graph will change like this. I will show once again. So like this it will be, and like this and like this. Understood? So this is our graph now. So y x. Are we observing here sharp corners or not? Yes. So at what points we are observing sharp corners? Further say what we need to do, it means what is this graph? Y is equal to 2, and what is this graph? 1 plus x. If you are equal to both, what we will get? 1 plus x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So at x is equal to 1, we are getting a sharp corner. In the same way, if we equate 1 minus x and 2, then we will get 1 minus x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So at minus 1 and 1, we are getting sharp corners, so that this graph is not differentiable at 2 points, that is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Continuous at all points. Yes, this is continuous at all points. Differentiable at all points. No. Here at minus 1 and 1, this is not differentiable, right? Next, differentiable at all points except at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Yes, this is also correct. Next, continuous at all points except at x is equal to 1, and when it is continuous, no need of saying that this is discontinuous. This is also wrong. So only A and C are correct. Understood? This is important problem given in JEE question paper. Okay. Now let us see next example. Next example. So, example, let f of x is equal to minimum of x comma x square for every real number of x. Then, here also options are given. Option A, h is, I hope this is h of x. H is continuous for all x. Next, second option, h is differentiable for all x. Next, C, h dash x is equal to 1 for all x greater than 1. Last option, h is not differentiable at 2 values of x. At 2 values of x. This is our question. Okay. So once again I will read the question. Let h of x is equal to minimum of x comma x square for every real number of x. Then h is continuous for all x. H is differentiable for all x. H dash x is equal to 1 for all x greater than 1. And h is not differentiable at 2 values of x. So first let us draw the graph of minimum of x comma x square. So first y is equal to x means passing like this. From origin it will be passing like this. Okay, this is y is equal to x. Now let us draw y is equal to x square. Already we know y is equal to x square is a parabola like this. This much down will come. From here we do like this. Okay. So this is a parabola of y is equal to x square. Okay. So now we need to take minimum value. Minimum value means this part and again this curve. and again this part. Means if I draw the graph again, this will be like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this will be like this here, and again from here we are getting sharp corner, and again this will be going like this, and again we are getting a sharp corner, again like this. Understood? This is the graph. Okay, so at 2 points we are getting a sharp corner. So what are the 2 points? Let us see. So if I substitute x is equal to x square, then x is equal to either 0 or 1. That's all. No, only 2 possible values. So at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, we are getting a sharp corner. Okay, so h is continuous for all x. Yes, h is continuous for all x. H is differentiable for all x. Wrong. H dash x is equal to 1 for x greater than 1. See here, for x greater than 1, if I take any value from here, whatever the value, any point I am taking a tangent, then I am getting greater than 1. H dash x is greater than 1. If x greater than 1, then h dash x is will be greater equal to 1 only. No? Yes. Whatever the point you take, that will be h dash x is equal to 1. Okay. So this is also correct. H is not differentiable at 2 values of x. So this is also correct. Okay. So h is continuous for all x and h dash x is equal to 1 for all x greater than 1. Okay. Next h is not differentiable at 2 values of x. So these 3 options are correct. Only B is not correct. Okay. I hope everybody understood this question. Very important question. Next, let us discuss about mod functions. So how to find out mod minimum value and maximum value when mod functions are given. Okay, differentiation along with differentiation. Okay, next question, very important example. Let f from R to R and g from R to R be respectively given by okay f of x is equal to mod x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square plus 1. Define h from R to R by f of x is equal to okay h of x is equal to maximum of f of x comma g of x if x less than or equal to 0 and minimum of f of x comma g of x if x greater than 0. Okay, here 2 conditions are given. If we have to find out maximum of f of x comma g of x if x less than or equal to 0 and minimum of f of x comma g of x if x greater than 0. Okay, next continuation, the number of points at which h of x is not differentiable is this is also we have to find out, means this only we have to find out from the question. Okay, number of points at which h of x is not differentiable is, that is what we have to find out. So first let us draw the graph of f of x is equal to mod x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square plus 1. Okay, so So f of x is equal to mod x. Graph will be like this. Right? Straight line cutting at x is equal to 0 exactly, and straight line cutting at x is equal to 0 exactly. But here he is asking mod x plus 1 means from 1 unit more than 0. Okay? On the y-axis we have to draw this curve. Understood? F of x is equal to mod x plus 1 means from 1 onwards we have to draw. If it is f of x is equal to mod x plus 2, then we have to draw from 2. Now we are given mod x plus 1. So from 1 we have to draw the curve like this. Understood? And this should be sharp corner. Why? Because mod x graph will have a sharp corner. The same sharp corner should come here also. Next, g of x is equal to x square plus 1. So here also 1 unit above x square. So here onwards we will get a parabola like this. Understood? So now here we have to take maximum of f of x comma g of x if x less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means this point. Okay? From this one we have to take maximum means top graph we have to take. Means this one. Okay? Next, minimum of f of x comma g of x is f greater than 0. Means this bottom one. Okay? So, if we observe clearly how many sharp corners we are seeing here. So, this is the first sharp corner, and this is the second sharp corner, and this is the third sharp corner. Okay? So, what are those values? How to find out those values? So, how to find out means, so take x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1. Just, so now if we equate, so same we are getting x is equal to x square. Okay? X is equal to x square means x is equal to 0 or 1. Means here 0 we are getting, here 1 we are getting. So here mod x is there. If we take minus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1. Okay? So again we will get x square is equal to minus x. Means x is equal to minus 1. So at minus 1 also we are getting a sharp corner. Therefore, the number of points at which h of x is not differentiable is 3. That is, at x is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. If we draw the graph, then clearly we can understand that these 3 points we are getting a sharp corner. That's why this graph is not differentiable at 3 points. Understood everybody? Very, very important problem. Okay? Next. Let us see when two conditions are with mod. Two functions are having mod. Then how to do? So next. So f of x is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. How to do this one? So for doing this, if I substitute x value 2, x value 1 here, then I will get f of x is equal to, y value. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, here 1 minus 1 is 0, here 1 minus 2 is 1. So x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to, so if I take x is equal to 2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0, here 2 minus 1 is 1, so y is equal to 1. So when I take x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2, the y value is not changing. So this is x axis, this is y axis. My x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to 2. My y value is 1 same point. Okay. Now what we'll get means, we'll get a board shape like this. Understood? This is our graph. Okay. Now what is the positive value of this graph? Means positive value means both we have to take plus. Means x minus 1 plus x minus 2. This becomes 2x minus 3. So this line, this graph becomes y is equal to 2x minus 3. Okay. And this graph already we know y is equal to 1. Why? Because this is a clear parallel line parallel to y axis. Sorry, x axis at a distance of y is equal to 1. Okay. Next graph, this one we have to solve means this is less than. Okay, this is less than, so we have to take both as minus. So minus x minus 1, again minus x, sorry, plus 1, again minus x plus 2. Why? Because minus of minus becomes plus. So minus 2x plus 3. So this graph becomes y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. Okay. Now what is the, so this graph is not differentiable at how many points? 2 points, that is at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Understood? This is the graph of mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2. Next, let us see only one last example. With that we will wrap our today's class. Next, so last example, mod x plus mod x minus 1. Okay, so how to do this? So same, x is equal to 0. Why? Because here mod x, so 0. 0 minus 1, so y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. Y is equal to same 1. Okay, now we will get a graph like this. Means in this value only 0. 0 means 0 minus 1 is 1. Y value, f of x is nothing but y here. Y is equal to f of x. Okay, so this is x axis, this is y axis. So now x is equal to 0. This is 0. This is 1. So like this my graph will be, and again board shape. Understood? Whenever we are getting a line like this, then we have to assume that that is a board shape. Understood? So now this is y is equal to 1 graph. Now let us see how to get this one. Already I have said no. This is positive value. So positive value means both plus x minus 1, that is 2x minus 1. So here this becomes y is equal to 2x minus 1 graph. Understood? This line is what? Y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now let us see how this one. So minus x plus 1, that is minus 2x plus 1. So this graph is y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay. So this graph is also not differentiable at how many points? 2 points. So at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Okay. Now let us see f dash x. F dash x when x greater than 1. When x greater than 1 means for this point y is equal to 2x minus 1. So if I substitute d by dx of 2x is 2. So when x greater than 1, f dash x value is 2. When 0 less than x less than 1 means in this interval. In this interval f dash x y is equal to 1. So constant, that is 0. Next, when x less than 0. Okay. When x greater than 0, this is 0. When x less than 0, this is y value is minus 2x plus 1. If I is nothing but f of x. F dash x means minus 2x. d by dx of minus 2x is minus 2. So these are the values of differentiation, that is f dash x values when x greater than 1, when 0 less than x less than 1 and then x less than 0. Understood? This is how we have to differentiate when mod is given for any question. Same like this only we can differentiate previous problem also. Okay? Only we have to understand the problem. Then how much we work on, that much we can expand this problem. Clear? I hope everybody understood up to here. So students, this is very important, graphical approach in differentiation. So try to practice these problems, and this type of problems anywhere you are seeing means try to practice those problems also. Very important and very easy if you understand the graph. So practicing graph is very important. So students, I want to say one more thing. Please try to share my videos, because some members will be trying to learn IIT, but they will not be able to learn because of their financial problem. So you can help them in this way. So I hope you will understand my problem and inform to your friends and make them learn, those who are capable of learning IIT and they are not because of their financial problem. Okay, this is what I wanted to inform, and try to like my video, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.